Welcome back for my final daily report market video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday, the 1st of July. Looking at gold, and the gold chart has broken down. The 1400 basis of support that we saw holding last week, the market had been building that as a basis of support on a couple of occasions, tested and held, but today we've gapped lower at the open, decisively through 1400, spent all day trading below 1400 at the moment, 1381 at the low of the day. A little bit of a rebound from there, so not just sort of running away in terms of a corrective move, but still 1398 was the 23.6% fib level. And a close clear of that would open 13.8.2, which is 1374 as your next basis of support. Today's low 1381. Now, you look at the corrective signals coming through on the MACD lines, sorry, on the momentum indicators with the RSI below 70. I think, to be honest, below 65 would really confirm, I think, a corrective move there. Stochastics also giving a sell signal. MACD lines not yet, just coming together, but nothing decisive. But how the market responds now to this gap lower at the open, is this a breakaway gap where the market now starts to slide consistently? 1406 was that gap resistance today, above the 1400 mark. 1400 psychological, also a reaction low from last week. 23.6% fib at 1398, all paints a picture of a big basis of resistance around that 1400 mark, pretty much there or thereabouts as today's high as well, so it all adds into that. Now we can see here on the hourly chart where 1400 broke to the downside, and you've got a more corrective configuration across hourly momentum, especially on the MACD lines. RSI went below 30 decisively, and I think it's selling into strength around that 1400 level of resistance is probably the way, would be an opportunity, I think, for playing this, which looks increasingly corrective now, for a move back to probably 50% fib. 1373 is 1373 is 38.2% fib. The basis of support around sort of 1348, 1350 would suggest, I think, a move back towards that is probably what we would see in that scenario. But it is interesting that we're now starting to see gold breaking down and looking more corrective. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.